Hey internet! Right, so I'm sorry that I didn't do a video last week. I always say I'll do a video every week, but I'm trying to get a little side hustle, which is IT sort of concern, off the ground a bit, and I have to do work on that as work comes in. So yeah, it's another thing that's spreading my time a bit thin, but it's ultimately what I want to do. But you know, I've still got my full-time job, I've got the IT thing on the side, and I do this as well, and this takes a lot of time to do properly. So anyway, but I really enjoy it. This is my favourite thing. So yeah, big apologies for not doing a video last week. There's not much motivation for doing a lot of videos at the moment. I mean, today it's -3. It's absolutely freezing. I've got the heater up as high as it will go in the garage. It's not doing much in the way of warming things, but at least I haven't got any icicles hanging off me. So yeah, at least that's good. Right, so where are we up to? The little 400 is ready for MOT. I haven't really got to do anything else to that. Well, couple of little niggly bits, but nothing too much, so that's parked up the side. Track bike, haven't touched that yet at all. Blue and white 600R, love that bike. Nothing, I haven't touched that really. I've got stuff I want to do to it, but it's just going to have to wait. So what are we doing today? As I said, it's 550 day. We're going to, I've moved the 550, let's turn it around so you can have a bit of a look. 550 is now in prime position. I'm going to get everything tightened up. At the moment, all of the engine bolts are loose. Everything's loose on it really, because I wanted to make sure everything was in the right place before tightening it up. So yeah, we're going to get everything tightened up, mountings on properly, you know, none of that's ready. I'm not going to fasten the tank down because they will ultimately have to remove that when they're doing the wiring. I get that, so I won't fasten that down, but everything else I will. We'll get the chain guard on, get it all tightened up, and then I'll give Tom a ring at TT Motorcycles and arrange for them to get it picked up. The other thing with doing the IT on the side, you know, as my side hustle, I think it's often referred to at the moment, is you know, it generates money, and money that can be spent on the bikes. So you know, it's all good. So it's a bit of a necessary, I won't say evil, because I enjoy doing that as well, but it's certainly necessary to bring some revenue in to buy stuff for the bikes. As I say, the 400 will be going as soon as it's MOT'd, which will free up some cash, which will be nice. But yeah, we need to crack on with this. So stick with me today. We'll be getting this ready to go, and when this has gone off to have the electrical work done, we'll probably crack on with the track bike or something like that. So that should be good fun. Stay with me, let's get on with it. Thank you. So that's pretty much it for today. I was just in the process of putting the exhaust studs in the head, and I just received a message to say my looks like my Facebook account has been hacked, so I'm gonna have to go and have a look at that. But we're virtually there, exhaust or not. Identified a couple more things I need to order. New throttle grip for the bike, and one of the two throttle cables. The end has bust off one, so I'm going to have to replace that. The other one's okay. I think I'll put the exhaust on before sending it to Tom. However, I can now get in touch with him and get him to pick it up, really. It's looking well, eh? So yeah, it's not far off now. We just need to get the wiring done, and then I can get the fairing sorted out, and you know, the last bits and pieces, which is just tidying really. And there's some nuts and bolts I'm not particularly happy with. It's just how things changed over such a long period of time that there's hardly a genuine bolt on the bike. So yeah, we'll tidy things up a bit. And it's like I say, we're going to have to make something to get that front headlamp fairing on, so yeah, we'll have to get that sorted. But other than that, it's ready to go to TT Motorcycles to hopefully get the wiring done. Hopefully it won't cost me another mortgage, so yeah, all good. So thanks very much for sticking with me. I'll try and get some more done on Sunday. We've still got the carb refurbishment to do for the track bike. The refurbishment kit has come now. So I need to crack on with that as well, and decide what we're going to do with it. But you know, I just want to get my Z done really, so I can get out on it. As long as we've got it ready for summer, I'll be happy. So yeah, all good. So thank you very much. Join me next time when it's like I say, we'll either be doing the carb refurb work, or maybe we'll go and go getting the track bike. I might do that in the meantime, and then see if we can get the track bike started next time. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you're liking the videos, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and please drop me some comments in the section below, and I'll always get back to you on them. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.